Hey everyone! In today's exciting video, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning custom logo design in Photoshop step by step. We're going to use basic tools in a smart way to create something truly professional and eye-catching. Let's dive into this awesome design journey. Let's begin by creating a new layer. Then pick the ellipse tool from the toolbar. Hold down the Shift key and draw a perfect circle. This will be the base of our logo. Fill this circle with your desired color. Go bold, go bright, make it pop. Now hit Ctrl plus J to duplicate the circle layer. Change the color of the new circle so you can easily differentiate it. Press Ctrl plus T to transform it. This time, make the circle slightly smaller from the right side while holding Shift, and then enlarge it slightly by holding Shift plus Alt together to expand it from the center. Hold down Ctrl and click on the blue circle layer to make a selection around it. Then right-click the yellow circle layer and choose Rasterize Layer. Once rasterized, press the Delete key. Boom! You've cut out a part of the yellow shape using the blue one. Now deselect the selection using Ctrl plus D, and go ahead and delete the blue circle layer. Duplicate this newly shaped yellow layer by pressing Ctrl plus J, and again, hit Ctrl plus T to rotate it a bit and scale it down slightly. You're already building an awesome abstract logo base here. Now it's time to personalize the logo with some text. Select the Type tool and type your logo name or any word you want. Then, right-click on the text layer and choose Rasterize Type. If you love the font I'm using, you can download it from the link in the description below. Zoom in close, then grab the rectangle marquee tool. Carefully draw selections around each letter. Right-click and choose Layer via Cut. This smart move splits each letter into separate layers, giving us total control. To add a creative connection between letters, use the rectangle tool to draw bridging shapes between characters like C and S. Once placed, select the S and its rectangle shape, right-click, and choose Merge Layers. Do the same for the C and its shape. Now, drag the D layer closer to the S. Hold down Ctrl and click on the S layer to make a selection. Go to Select, Modify, Expand, and set it to around 8 pixels. Click on the D layer and hit the Delete key. This will give a perfect letter blend. Then, go back to the C layer, grab the eraser tool, and gently erase a small section to create a stylish cut effect. Once you're happy with the letter placements, select all the text layers and merge them. Move the text to the center of your abstract shape and use Ctrl+T to adjust its size proportionally. Now hold Ctrl and click the text layer to make a selection. Again, go to Select, Modify, Expand, and choose a value around 12 pixels. Then click on the shape layers and hit the Delete key. This creates a beautiful cutout effect behind the text. Now for a final touch, choose the Polygon tool and pick a cool custom shape from the top menu. Hold Shift while drawing to keep it proportional, and add this shape as a decorative element in your design. We're almost done. Click on the topmost layer, hide the background, and press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+E to create a stamp visible layer. Copy it using Ctrl+C. Now open the mockup file. Download link in description. Double-click the placeholder layer. It will open in a new window. Press Ctrl+V to paste your logo in and hide the background layer. Press Ctrl+T to resize and reposition it as needed. Once you're satisfied, simply close and save the window. Boom! Your logo is now professionally placed on the mockup. And there you go. Your modern custom logo design is ready and looking fantastic. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Photoshop PixelFie, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on new creative content. Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to see your version of this logo too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep designing, keep shining.